Along with the rest of the country, Meghalaya celebrated the 74th Republic Day today. In Shillong, Governor Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, retired, unfurled the national flag at Polo Ground and took the salute of the marching contingents. During the celebration, the governor also conferred the U Tirot Singh Award for Art and Literature to Doyen of Khasi Culture, Sweetimon Rinja, Tokan N. Sangma Award for Social Services to noted ophthalmologist Dr. Jennifer Basayamoit, and U Kyang Nangba Award for Sports to Meghalaya Blind Football Team Captain Clinton D. Sangma. In his address, the governor said that the overall law and order situation in the state is peaceful. He further said that the state government has taken steps towards finding a permanent solution of the long-standing border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam.
I would like to acknowledge the contribution of each and every citizen of our lovely state, Meghalaya, for our collective achievements. I urge my dear people to work hard for the progress, for the welfare, and for the development of our beloved state, Meghalaya. I hope and pray that we continue to achieve greater heights in making our state, Meghalaya, a better place for the posterity to live in. My sincere thanks to our forebears who gave us our constitution.